Hello YouTube, I'm FC Legend here and I'm back again in the video. So if you haven't checked my previous videos out, please go check them out. And in this video I'm going to be talking about some more transfer news for Manchester United. So as you can see, Aleksandar Dragovic closing in on Manchester United transfer. So here he is. I don't know what team he plays for, but all I know is centre back. So Austrian centre back Aleksandar Dragovic is set to become Manchester United's first signing of the January transfer window, according to reports. Dragovic is 24 years old, was close to joining United last January, but the switch never really materialised. According to Sport Mediaset, though, the player is set to finally get his move, with it being claimed that a £16 million deal taking him from Dynamo Kiev, that's what the team he plays for, to Old Trafford will be finalised in the coming hours. Defence has been one of United's strong points this season, but given that they've actually kept one clean sheet in the last 6 Premier League games, it appears that Louis van Gaal has decided to bolster his backline by bringing in Dragovic. I don't know why he's bringing in Dragovic. Our defence is okay. Obviously, we do need a defender, and I don't know anything about Dragovic. Why don't he bring a defender that everyone knows, like John Stones or Hummels or Laporte, or a good defender that we know? Dragovic, we don't know if he's going to be good. What if he comes to Manchester United, it becomes a really, a flop? Or what if, he could potentially come and be an amazing centre-back for us, but I don't know, I've not seen enough for him. He does do skills and that, apparently. That's all I know. I don't really know anything else about him. But he needs to bolster our attack, mate, first of all. Our attack is lacking in quality. We need to buy attackers. That's pretty much it. We need to buy... Hopefully we could buy Mane, Felipe Anderson, Lukaku, someone like that. Any of those three. That would be amazing. But anyways, this is the transfer news regarding Dragovic. And I'll see you guys later.